Hello guys, welcome to your 11th STL2 tutorial. And in this tutorial we will be working with STL2 TTF. Alright guys, so first for this we're going to need a font. For this tutorial I cleaned up the project, so all we have right now is our background and nothing outputted to the console. Alright, so first things first, we're going to need some a font file, which will be a .ttf. .ttf stands for True Text Font, and it's a file that Windows and other things use for text. Alright, so I went to fontsquirrel.com. Alright. Let's look for some. So these are free fonts that are also licensed for commercial work. Alright, so you guys can use this for your projects and stuff as well. Alright, to go over to find fonts, I'm going to the comic section right there. Now I'll try retro. Choose whatever fonts you guys like. Doesn't matter, can't the exact same ones as me. Look for a nice one. This one will do. I'll use TuneDive. Alright, so just click download TTF before I have done this. Now just open the shown folder. And as you can see, it has a lot of other different font files. So you guys can just extract this to your project. So right click, extract files. And you want to extract it into the directory of your project so you can access it. So I'm going to put mine in my project folder. And I'm going to make a font folder inside my project, so now I can access the fonts easier. So I'm going to name this folder fonts. And done. Alright, now I'm going to save my font in this folder. Okay. There you go. Alright. So now I'm going to open it up so you guys can see what I did. So you can see it's pretty simple. Let's put it right in there. And there's all the font files right there. Alright, so I'm going to right click. I'm just going to double click it and copy the file name, so now we can use it in our project. Alright, so now we'll go to the project. Now, first things first, we need to initialize TTF. So, TTF unit. Now that that's done, we need a surface. So, we'll do an STL surface as front. And this surface is TTF render text, and there's different ways you can render text. You can render shaded, blended, all that other stuff. I'm going to render it solid for now. Alright, now this takes font. So now we need font, so let's do TTF underscore font. this font. And now we want to point it to our font. So go to the fonts folder and paste it in that TTF. Alright, there you go. Now for the first parameter of TTF render text solid, we're going to type in tfont, comma, the text you want to upload. To F, and now you need a STL color. I'm gonna name this color text color, and in order to make an STL color, just type STL color, name of the color variable, and then take string parameters, red, green, blue, or this RGB color code. Alright, so 0 is 0 and 255 is the highest you can go. So I'm going to make the text, I'm going to make it blue. Now make it on black. So 0, 0, 0. Alright, now that we have our surface and font, we need a texture. So STL texture tfont equals STL create texture from surface render as font. And now that is pretty much it. Alright guys, and now all you need to do is render it to the screen. Alright, so same as usual, we're going to do STL render copy render the texture, which is tfont, known for the third parameter, and the address of the rect. So our address of our font. And now we need to make the rect. So go back to where we were. So now we need a rect to tell STL where we want to place this text. So STL rect our fonts equals. Now I need to put it in the top left hand corner. So 0, 0. And now for the width, let's do 100. And for the height, let's do 50. Let's see if we're missing anything. No, we're good. Alright guys. And one more thing guys. For tfont, it is TTF underscore open font. Alright. And the first parameter of TTF open font is the file, which we have there, and the second parameter is the size of the text. Alright. So I'm going to use font 12 size text. And let me just open this up for you, so you can see the different sizes. Alright, so TTF fonts can have different sizes. You can use 12, 18, 24, 36, 48, 60, and 72. So I'm just going to use 12. Alright, let's build and run this. Oh, we have two tfonts, so let's name the font. We'll just leave it font, and we'll name the texture tfont. Hope that didn't confuse you guys. I just changed the name of the variables a little bit. you gotta change that to. And there you go. I have some text in the upper left hand corner, but let's make it wider so you can actually see it. So I'm going to make the height 100 and the width is going to be 200. I think that will help. So now you'll be able to see the text. And I'll make the width 480. Alright. So now we're building on this. And there you go. Now you have some nice text displayed in the window. So I hope this video helped you guys. Now you know how to use SDLTPF. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. GameGrape Corporation.